Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from INFINIX Hot 11s to an Android device. Begin with opening Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Now you need to access it. And from the screen here, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on INFINIX. From here you need to choose receive on your Android and send on INFINIX smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots. And when you're ready, select send over here. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo, just for example. Choose send and click on got it. On an Android, tap on no thanks or yes I agree and close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can connect those smartphones by scanning this QR code. If you wish to do that, click on this scanning icon, choose allow, while using or only this time, and point your camera at the code. If you don't want to, you can always input this key over here instead, and then tap on receive button. And now as you can see, after a while, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!